A Greenfield woman has filed a lawsuit alleging car dealership deception. Jessica Portner claims that the auto dealer forged her signature.
WRTV investigates. Kara Kenny is digging through her complaint and explains what happened and how you can protect yourself when car shopping.
When Jessica Portner drives her Kia Optima around town, she wants to be happy. It's her first brand new car. Instead, she says it's like a dark cloud is hanging over.
I just been driving around and making payments and hoping that everything will come out in the end.
Jessica says she did a ton of research on cars and dealers before buying her Optima at Napleton Kia of Fishers on May 1st, 2020.
And I thought I got a good deal, and when I got home, I realized that I didn't.
In her complaint, Jessica says the dealer verbally agreed to a 3.25% interest rate, but the paperwork says 3.75. When she looked closer, she saw a signature she says is not hers.
My signature was forged.
Records provided by Jessica's attorney, Andrew Alt, show what they claim is Jessica's actual signature on several documents, but a noticeably different signature on others.
Did you agree to the gap protection contract?
No.
Is that your signature?
No.
Did you ever sign on a digital pad anything?
Jessica filed a lawsuit July 1st against the dealer, alleging they forged her signature on several documents and that she did not agree to an interest rate of 3.75%, a trade-in of $1,000, $850 in gap protection, as well as other add-ons like this nearly $2,000 vehicle service contract.
Napleton Kia is not close for me to go get an oil change or my tires rotated, obviously, and so there's no way I would ever go 45 minutes out of my way to get this done.
Jessica says buying a car ended up costing her emotionally.
And then I'm like, how could this happen to me, you know? It's affected me. It's been almost 2 years. I'll never buy another new car again just because of the way I was treated.
Attorney Andrew Alt specializes in car dealership practices.
Forgery is not only deceptive, it's also a crime. And you cannot sign someone's name to paper without their authorization.
The lawsuit alleges the dealership violated the Federal Truth in Lending Act and Indiana's Deceptive Consumer Sales Act.
Dealers are supposed to be forthright, honest, not supposed to lie or deceive in any way.
Jessica says her $509 monthly car payments are $85 a month higher than they should be because they reflect the added on fees and higher interest rate she says she did not agree to.
So, a lot.
Her lawsuit seeks an unspecified amount of damages and restitution from Napleton Kia of Fishers. We reached out to their attorney who told us, "We do not wish to speak about this pending lawsuit at this time." The dealership filed a motion pointing out when she bought the car, Jessica agreed to resolve any disputes in arbitration, which is an out-of-court resolution. Some takeaways. Never go to a dealership alone. Always take a witness with you. Get all verbal promises in writing and read the documents before you sign them. And lastly, always be willing to walk away. Working for you, Kara Kenny, WRTV.
In September, the judge agreed that Jessica should submit her claim to arbitration. Jessica's attorney says they are waiting on the dealer to begin the arbitration process. The lawsuit is on hold for the time being. Some additional tips from the Better Business Bureau. Ask a lot of questions. Do not sign unless you are satisfied with the answers. If you are required to make a deposit, ask whether it is refundable and under what circumstances, and make sure the information is also included in the contract. Be sure to get a signed statement verifying the mileage at the time of sale. Most state laws require dealers of used cars to provide the buyer with this information in writing. Make sure you understand what will happen if you fall behind on payments and how the seller will communicate with you about that.